What's up, you guys? So today this will be a lash with me video. Complete this fill-in with me. This is a 3-week fill-in, and just look at how many lashes she has. The retention speaks for itself. So the first thing that I'm doing is shaking my glue with my glue shaker. Get a glue shaker. If you're a lash tech, you need to get a glue shaker, literally. Do not walk, run. And I will link that down in the description box below. But yes, this glue shaker is everything. It makes life so much easier. Okay. So just a little FYI, I have already washed and prepped her lashes for the lash fill. I always wash my clients' eyelashes before any service, no matter if it's a fill, no matter what it is. And at this point of the fill-in, I am removing all of her overgrown lashes because it's essential. Like, I don't understand how some lash techs are able to work over outgrown or overgrown eyelashes. Please use the banana peel method. Use whatever method you can. There are so many different methods to take off the overgrown eyelashes, but you all, please remove the overgrown eyelashes. It will cause damage to your client's lashes because our lashes grow, and to have something that's kind of towards the end, or a lash extension that has grown out, just pulling on someone's natural lash or just hanging on by a thread to the natural lash, will cause damage and will cause the natural lash to not grow properly. So please remember, it's so important to make sure that you are removing all of the outgrown eyelashes. So yes, I kind of like to just go through each lash and just make sure that I have done everything on my end that I can do to make sure that, number one, her natural lash extensions are healthy, and to make sure that, you know, every lash is properly filled. I do spend extra time and extra attention is given towards fill-ins because fill-ins are so important, and I like for my clients to get all of the longevity out of their lash extensions, because as we know, lash extensions are definitely a luxury service, okay? And you need to just make sure that your clients are getting their money's worth, because we are in a different type of time right now, and no one has time to just be getting all these fillings and having bad natural lash extensions. And just, you just want to make sure people are getting their money's worth, because my girls, they come back for their fills, baby. They don't play. So I can't help but to point something out. I do notice that my clients' lashes do look a little bit weighed down with oils and things of that sort. But look, my client, and this one in particular, she is a bit on the oily side when it comes to her skin type. And I do believe that skin type does determine how many refills a client is able to get. See, after this refill, I would recommend for her to get a fresh full set. Excuse my phone. But yes, you all, like, it really just all depends on the client's skin type. And I know us lash techs, we always just debate whether or not a client should be able to get several different refills after the full set. And my answer says, look, it really just depends on, one, the client's skin type, and two, their aftercare. If their skin type is on the oily side, they may need a better aftercare, and if their aftercare is poor, then they definitely will have to be able to get a fresh set after a couple of refills, literally a couple of refills only. But that's not for every client, so that only is for certain types of clients. So now I've moved on to the other eye, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye as I did to the other eye. Just getting those overgrown or outgrown lash extensions off of her natural lashes. And whenever your clients complain about their lash extensions twisting and turning or getting into their eye, it's because you need to go in and remove the natural lash. Sometimes I have to do the banana peel method, and sometimes I just have to just kind of, I'm trying to show you all or explain the best way I can in the video. It's just like kind of twist and pop the lash extension off of their natural lash. I try not to hurt them. I be feeling like I'm hurting my clients, but they never feel anything. They never flinch. They never move. And I always ask them, "Are you okay?" I ask them 100 times, literally, "Are you okay? Are you okay? Does it hurt? Does it hurt?" But literally it just pops right off if you just kind of twist and turn. But yes, you guys, I just be going through, honey, because I just want to make sure I get all of those outgrown lashes off, because it really makes the set look so ugly when there's like lashes on there that need to just be removed. And which side can you tell that she sleeps on? I wonder, which side does she really sleep on? Because if you answered the side that I'm working on right now, then you have answered the correct answer, you guys. Yes, I can always tell. As a lash tech, I can always tell which side my client sleeps on the most. And I can also tell whether or not they clean their eyelashes. Ladies, you can't lie to us. You cannot lie to us. Don't ever lie to your lash tech, okay? And at this part of the video, we are finished and her eyelashes look full as ever. Don't mind those bottom eyelashes. She's had those on and they're really just hanging on by the red. But yes, get into it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you all enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Comment down below if you have any questions, and visit the description box as well. See y'all next time. Bye.